Jamaica. Wagwan. A long time no soon, you know. Here what me I say no guys. Jamaican people are kill off themselves. Here what me I say no. When I kill out all of the trees them, all of the fruit trees them. Stop it. You understand me? Stop use run up weed killer in the ground. It'll give all of no cancer. Jamaican people. Stop use chemical on the food. Cancer kill off everybody. Jamaican people. Start weed the carrot and stop use weed killer. Jamaican people. Stop use weed killer through on a vegetable. Weed it. Jamaican people. Stop use weed killer through on a yam. Stop killing yourself. Stop killing yourself. Stop kill out the plants them. Stop kill out the fruit trees. We just spray the weed killer on the ground and it soak. It has stain of the earth. Listen to me. It has soak go to the root of the trees them. Of the guinea trees them. Of the pear tree them. And kill the root. Jamaican people, be careful of the cancer. Fix right. Stay right. Stay healthy. Pray for the kids them. I'm out.